Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tube for You. My name is Arpit and today I'm at a very special place. Now, as you can see behind me, I'm at the beach. I don't know whether, okay, I'm in focus. I'll just give you a good view of the beach. And why I'm over here is because it's twilight time, the sun has gone down, and basically what we are doing today is a surprise. I'm experimenting with light photography, and that too not with any photography. It's gonna be with fireworks. So it's gonna be a deadly combination. You can understand fireworks, the beach, and nighttime. Let's go for it. And also, before I go ahead with the time lapse and the other things, let me tell you, I'm not alone. The standard edition.
Yes, the standard edition.
Jay the Patil, aka Beardo 79 is available.
Yes.
And also I have one special person today assisting us in the shoot, and that is...
Hi guys, my name is Kaustubh.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Kaustubh is actually a little camera shy. He's not talking too much. But let's see how the beach looks like.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
So guys, I'm back at the Tube for You headquarters. The shoot was simply amazing, and yeah, we tried our best because even I'm on a learning process, and I'm on the the curve of learning. I tried my best for the settings. I took a 1.8 f-stop 35mm prime lens that I recently purchased, and you have seen the video. In case if you have not, I'll just put the link somewhere down over here. And also the results are pretty good, and I'm looking forward to part 2 of it because I still have the ammunition that is left in the form of the anars and the fuljaris, or the fireworks as you can call it. So yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm absolutely stoked by the results that we created today, and especially the session that went afterwards when we came down from the beach, because obviously we were afraid that there might be some cops fishing out for us. So yeah, see, we're not doing anything wrong, but again, I don't know, maybe you would require permission to set up firecrackers on a beach, maybe. So with that proper due permission taken, next time I would make sure that we make a kick-ass video. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. It was a trial and error method, and we did our best. So please hit the thumbs up if you want to see part 2, where we learn something and we try to push our knowledge to you guys as well. So yeah, that's it for today. The day was amazing, and I hope you liked the video. So subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and Stay tuned to 2 for You, and bye bye.